What is up, everybody? I am Kelvin and you are welcome to this fresh brand new channel, Alltimepreneur. This channel is created to guide you or anyone through the journey of making money online. It doesn't matter if you clock a regular 9 to 5, if you don't have a job, if you're a student, or if you're a stay-at-home person. The best thing is to have multiple streams of income. You will agree with me that there are tons of videos online that teach you how to make money, but most times these videos are ambiguous and overwhelming. You should subscribe to this channel because in this channel we will be giving you a run-through step-by-step procedure of how to make money online, sieving out the things that do not work and dishing out hot content of things that actually work in making money online. Expect videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and believe me, you will get value. It doesn't matter what country you are from. You could be from Indonesia, you could be from China, you could be from Nigeria, South Africa, you could be from the United States or even the United Kingdom. It doesn't matter where you're from. You can make money online. What matters is, do you have a smartphone or a PC? Do you have a stable and reliable internet connection? Then that is all you need. You absolutely have no reason not to make money online, as long as you can follow the step-by-step procedures that will be dished out in each and every video coming out from this channel. So from now on, you all are Alltimepreneurs and will be referred to as such. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get notified of hot content dropping on this channel. Till I meet you again, Kelvin is me, Alltimepreneur is you. See you on the other happy side.